Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. State lost revenue of 3.5 to 5,000 crores due to illegal mining. CM says report by customs and CAs to fix responsibility of revenue loss. Lusophonia scam file yet to reach Vigilance Department. Lusophonia committee says they will make statement once the assembly session is over. Government threatens to take over Goa Dairy if it does not slash down prices by January. Amul Dairy is a ready option over Goa Dairy, CM tells the House. Opposition leader raises issue of rising drug inflow in Keri Satari. Parrikar assures PSI level officers to curb the menace and strengthening of ANC. And Indian Boxing Federation faces crunch time. Constitutional amendments to be discussed in next month's AGM. Goa Boxing Association's Clyde Lobo hopes for speedy solution. Now news in detail. State has lost mining royalty and other revenue of almost 3.5 to 5,000 crores in the last 5 to 7 years. Mines Minister Manohar Parrikar says that report by customs and chartered accountants will identify the firms responsible for the illegalities. Alech Regional and Vijay Sardesai had raised the issue. DGPS survey has indicated 9.25 hectares of encroachment beyond lease land.
The work of verification of illegalities identified by Justice Shah Commission is in progress. आता 1.5 वर्सां जाली. What is progress? आनी हाका कितलो वेळ लागतलो काय 5 वर्सां सोंपोव म्हणसर आमकां इलिगॅलिटीज सोदतले काय म्हण आमी ना कॉन्क्रीट कांयच दिसना शाह कमिशनाचेर तुजे एक्शन.
Is Shah Commission report correct? Is your PC report correct or the CEC report is correct?
Regarding non-payment of royalty, because we realize that if Goa government has received royalty for say 35 million tons, export was 45 million tons. Therefore 10 million tons extra material. We have asked from customs who have exported, because what record we have is only from export association. So customer कडच्यान ते आमी मागल्या, customer कडच्यान तो data येतकच investigative team will identify who is the exact person who has not paid royalty.
आम्ही गोयान पळयता फक्त हांगा उलोवप जाता. 18 महिने जाले एकट्याचेरूय खऱ्या अर्थान एक्शन येवना.
खंयची रिकवरी कर म्हणून सांगपाक सोपी आसता. Because number one, we will have to identify who is the person who took away the ore, who is the person who exported the ore. हाजी को-लिंक लावची पडटली, हाजे रिलेशन लावचे पडटले. तो लावपाचो एक्सरसाइज चालू आहा. Unless I identify, Shah Commission and 35,000 कोटी म्हणले, ताका काय अर्थ नाही. आताच हांवें दाखयले. Shah Commission talks about 582 hectares of going beyond lease area. We found that it is only about 9 hectares, 9.5 hectares. After we went through the DGPS survey, proper हे करतकच आमकां लक्षात आलें की इतलो आउट ऑफ द लीज एरिया वचून ना, फक्त 9-10 हेक्टर जाला.
That's one thing. I am also accepting Shah Commission is not correct report, but I am saying 10%. तुमकां दिसना even 3,500 scandal हा तुमकां दिसना 3,500. So what you are doing for the recovery?
माझ्या हिशोबान
That is what I am asking.
3,500 ते 5,000 कोटी रुपया सरकाराचो रेव्हेन्यू बुडला गेल्या 5-7 वर्सांक. हो रिकवर आमकां करूंक जाय. तातूंत भितर लिजूय आयल्यो, तातूंत भितर हे कन्वर्शनचे हे आयलें. सो वी कॅन रिकवर अबाउट 5,000 crores. वी विल रिकवर इट. हांव कोणाक सोडिना, पण ताजे कोणे केला ते कळ्ळ्या शिवाय कशी रिकवर करतलो.
Lusophonia scam case has still not reached the Vigilance Department. Chief Minister had claimed in the House that the probe has been handed over to the Vigilance Department. Vijay Sardesai said that government's consent to hand over the Lusophonia file to Vigilance Department proves that there is prima facie evidence of scam with the government. While BJP MLA Nilesh Cabral says, let Vigilance probe it, do not obstruct the preparations for the games. They were speaking in Prudence Breaker.
CAG blacklisted consultant bias standards and discrepancies in tendered works and the actual work on ground. This state of Lusophonia Games preparation was exposed by Prudent. Vijay Sardesai also highlighted Prudent expose on Lusophonia in the assembly. Chief Minister said that matter has been handed over to the Vigilance Department for probe, but sources from Vigilance confirmed that the file is yet to reach them. Prudent contacted some members of the Lusophonia Organizing Committee. They claimed that there was no scam in Lusophonia preparation, but this is a case of professional rivalry between two contractors. But they refused to speak on camera as assembly session is underway. Vijay Sardesai alleged that government has roped in a tainted consultant purposefully for committing frauds.
Chief Minister vigilance probe order करता. मतलब म्हाका दिसता हे prima facie acceptance of a scam. There is 100% ground. Otherwise, why did he go for a vigilance probe? That alone makes the sports minister becomes a flop show. Sports minister जेन्ना सांगता की कांयच ना हे काँग्रेसी वेळा जाल्लें दुयेंस आनी चीफ मिनिस्टर विजिलन्स प्रोब मागता. जो मनीस तांचो ओन श्रीपाद नायक म्हणटा की हो करप्ट मनीस हो एडवायझर येदे व्हडल्या स्कॅमाचो ताका हांगा एडवायझर हाडला. हाजेरूच तुका कळपाचें स्कॅम करपाकूच एडवायज हाडला.
Nilesh Kabral, BJP MLA, asked opposition to wait for vigilance probe to get over. Obstructing Lusophonia preparations would not be fair, is what ruling says.
As far as this government is concerned, भ्रष्टाचार म्हाका दिसता आमचे अजूनही टेंटेड मिनिस्टर ना. आतां वयर सकल केन्ना कोणे कितें तर जाला एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह लॅप्सीस जाल्ले आसा. CM has already told you that त्याचे विजिलन्स इन्क्वायरी घालतले and he will सोक्सपोज करून त्याचे करेक्ट दिशान वयतलो. पण हे न्ही की ते काम भरून काम बंद दवर हे कर तें कर आनी परतून कितें जानेवारीन आतां करपाचें आहा ते परतून आमकां चान्स पडटलो ना.
With bureau inputs, Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Chief Minister has slammed Goa Dairy for mismanaged affairs and milk exports. He has warned that government is ready to take over the dairy if it fails to slash down milk prices by January. CM also opined that development of Goa's dairy sector demands better option for Goa Dairy. Government may opt for Amul Dairy or speed up the proposed state-run dairy project at Ladambarse. He was replying to calling attention raised by Lavu Mamledar on the milk export by Goa Dairy.
गोंयांत 40,000 लिटर प्रोडक्शन जाताले ते आतां ह्या 1.5 वर्साक 75,000 पावलो. तेतूंचे 65,000 हे गोंयांत वापरता, 10,000 भायर स्मगल जाता. दूदकाराक गवळ्याक 22 रुपये दिता दुधाची किंमत, 11 रुपया तेजेर सबसिडी दिता, 33 रुपयांनी दूध पडटा. ते मागीर हे 24 रुपयांनी भायर विकता.
आनी आमी एक्सप्लेनेशन मागला 7 दीस हांव रावतलो. एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलें ना जाल्यार ताजे फुडें एक्शन सुरू जातलें. कारण डेरी 1,20,000 1,25,000 प्रोड्यूस करूंक सोदता. ते पयर बोवाळ घालताले अमूल आयले म्हणून. दे आर स्कॅर्ड ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन. वाय आर दे स्कॅर्ड ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन? कॉम्पिटिशन मेक्स यू मोर हेल्थी. चिलिंग युनिट्स to be established in the cities where people can take fresh milk at a cheaper rate. फुडल्या असेंब्ली पयलीं तांच्यांनी प्रायस जर तूं कमी केलो ना जाल्यार आय वील मूव इन टू द डेरी. हांव इतलेंच सांगता. अती जालें बिकॉज आय कांट अलाव पीपल टू बी एट देर मर्सी. हांगा जे तुमी 24 रुपयान कारवारा धाडच्या पेक्षा 24 रुपया मडगांवच्या बाजारांत विका बरें. चिलर घाला न्ही. चिलर जाय जाल्यार म्हजे कडेन यो, हांव चिलर दिता.
सरकाराच्या यंत्रणेंतल्यान सबसिडींतल्यान
अमूल हेज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड पॅकिंग हियर. ते आतां थोड्या दिसान तांकां हाडून एक्सपांड करचें पडटलें. ना जाल्यार आमची एक कल्पना आशिल्ली की हातून घालूंक जाय म्हणून आमच्या लाटंबारशान. ती मातशी इल्ली पुशअप करता, स्पीडअप करता. दीस डेरी ऑल्सो कॅन बी रन एफिशियंटली. इट कॅन प्रोड्यूस 2 लाख अप टू 2 लाख लिटर्स. आतांच ताची कॅपेसिटी 1,06,000 का 60,000 जाल्यार भायर एक्सपोर्ट कित्याक करूंक जाय?
Anti-narcotic cell is being restructured under the new SP. Government will appoint PSI level officers at checkpost within 2 to 3 weeks. Home Minister Parrikar assured this to the Assembly on the calling attention motion raised by opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane. The motion was on the rising drugs inflow into Keri Satari. Rane said he has spoken to Maharashtra government to curb cross-border drug peddling. Parrikar says, "Give me the tip-off on a plain paper and action will be taken."
Complaint has been received by Sarpanch of Keri village from citizens regarding...
That means no return complaint, mostly.
Perhaps. The parents are afraid to tell the names of the people who are pushing the drugs. informed even the Maharashtra government chief minister that on the border of Goa, there are certain areas where Tilari project, where people are taking lands on lease and growing this.
In maybe another 2-3 weeks, a PSI level officer can be posted at outpost. And if PSI level officer is there, he can take some action. किंवा होम मिनिस्टराचे नातेवाईकूच जेन्ना हे घेता पर्सेंटेज घेवन हप्ते फिक्स करता पळय तेन्ना हें अशें जाता बरोबर आहा मरे मिकी
हांव रुलींग पार्टी आसतना हांवें हो मुद्दो काडलेलो तिंगा होम मिनिस्टर आसतना हांवें काडलेलो
ANC खातें जें आसा तें गेल्या 2 वर्सां पयलीं पूर्ण काबार जालें कारण भितरलेच कॉन्स्टेबलूच हे सगळ्यो गजाली करच्यो पडल्यो नाव वी आर ब्रिंगींग अप द डिपार्टमेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन नेटवर्कींग बिल्ड करता तांकां पुलीस फोर्स दिवपाचो पुलीस फोर्सूय जाय तितलो एडेक्वेट नाशिल्लो आतां भुरगे घेतल्या तांकां थोड्यांक घालून थंय हो विशय करता मागीर ताची चड चर्चा न करता कोणा कडेन इन्फॉर्मेशन आसत जाल्यार यू कॅन जस्ट पुट इट ऑन अ प्लेन पेपर एंड गिव इट टू मी डायरेक्टली.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.